This new AI audio model is insane. It is able to generate realistic text-to-speech voices as well as clone your voice and also create music. Today we're going to talk about MiniMax Audio Speech-02 HD. You can use it completely for free every single month by signing in minimax.io. You get specific free credits every single month for your usage. Let's test it out. Let's compare it with the state-of-the-art text-to-speech, which is ElevenLabs. They also have the ElevenLabs version 3 alpha model, which is groundbreaking. And also, if we see the leaderboard and the benchmarks, we can see that the MiniMax is currently the #1 model for text-to-speech. It even leads OpenAI models and also ElevenLabs 2.0 versions. So this is very nice, this is pretty amazing. In my opinion, all of these models are equally good, at least to the best of my knowledge. I think pretty much audio is solved. We can see realistic audio generations, but because this is free and it's an alternative to ElevenLabs, we can add it to our tool case, so we can benefit from these free credits every single month and never pay again to generate voices. Before we get started, if you're completely new to AI and you want to learn all of the state-of-the-art tools, how to use them, what you can do with them, I would highly suggest that you buy my course. It's hosted on Udemy. You pay only once a very small fee and you get all of the updates every single week, as well as all of the previous 24 hours of tutorials. This is the best offer if you want to learn AI coding, video generation, image generation, voice generation, and AI automations. And this is only going to get better. This is the best offer and the cheapest offer in the market right now. And of course, you support my work and my channel through this way. So let's try it out. I have created a very simple prompt, which is about OpenAI dropping O4 Pro. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started by checking out what voices are available. First of all, there are so many languages that you can use over here that it is insane. You can also add accent, and I would like to go with US general accent. I want a male voice, and you can specify the voice. I usually love the adult voice, and let's see what voices are available.
True. Remember, life will test you, but it will never break you if you hold on to what you know to be true.
Okay, this is a nice voice. Let's check this.
Let me share with you what I've learned over the years. My experience has taught me.
These are very nice, gentle voices.
The rain fell in steady rhythm.
I don't like this.
Every syllable carries a promise, drawing you into
I don't like this as well. This is completely feels way too AI, but I would like to try this bossy leader.
Listen up, everyone. This needs to be done my way if we want to succeed.
Okay.
Hey there. It's always
I prefer to keep to myself most of the time.
Okay, so I like this voice. Let's
It's not
use
that I
this
don't
voice.
like people.
And what we want to do here, we have two options. We can use the turbo model, which is very good, has great performance, and is cheaper than the HD model, but I want to check right now the best models available from each platform. So let's go with this Speech-02 HD, the best model available. Click Generate, and it opens up this screen. You can also select here, you don't see it, but let me show it to you, long text. So this allows you to put even more characters, but you will have to wait for long. Up to 200,000 characters. This is pretty insane. This is pretty insane. You can also add emotion to the voice. And I would likely say here that happy, I think, is the best option here in terms of what we try to do. Click the generate button. It's generating the response.
OpenAI just dropped.
And boom, it's ready. It's super fast. Let's try it out.
OpenAI just dropped the 3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup. Faster, smarter, and more efficient, O3 Pro brings top-tier performance to developers and businesses at a fraction of the cost. Stay tuned for what's next.
Okay, this is a good generation. There is a small part where I feel this is AI generated. But before we continue, I really want to test the same exact prompt. But right now I'm going to use, in my opinion, the best model out there, which is the ElevenLabs version 3 alpha, which by enhancing it using this button puts even more emotions, even more things into the prompt, like excited, energetic, enthusiastic, and you can add even your own tags like that to enhance the voice. Before we do that, I want to see what voices exist for this. There are some problems with the majority of the voices because these are premium and we have the free account. So let's stay with Callum in this case and let's generate speech. Let's see how many credits it will let up. In this case, it will cost 200 credits, so nothing major. We can still
OpenAI
generate
just
loads.
dropped O3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup. Faster, smarter, and more efficient, O3 Pro brings top-tier performance to developers and businesses at a
This is very nice. You can feel emotions in their voice. It feels a little bit AI, but it's also the research preview. They still got to improve it even more.
OpenAI just dropped O3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup. Faster, smarter, and more efficient, O3 Pro brings top-tier performance to developers and businesses at a fraction of the cost. Stay tuned for what's next. OpenAI.
Okay, so this is a very nice model. You can feel so much how realistic it feels, how many feelings it mimics. So this is very nice, but let's check out the same prompt with a simple 11 Lab multilingual version 2 model. Okay, so that's what we're going to test out right now. Generate speech to see the basic model, to see the differences.
OpenAI just dropped a 3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup. Faster, smarter, and more efficient, O3 Pro brings top-tier performance to developers and businesses at a fraction of the cost. Stay tuned for what's next.
Okay, so this is nice, but it's a lot neutral. It has no feelings, which is what I think MiniMax has been able to do with their model. Like, let's listen to this once again.
OpenAI just dropped the 3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup. Faster, smarter, and more efficient, O3 Pro brings top-tier performance to developers and businesses at a fraction of the cost.
So this emotion that they have added here feels a lot like the version 3 of 11 Labs. You really can feel the difference. But in any case, if we put neutral here, we're going to listen to something completely different in my opinion. We're not going to listen
OpenAI just
to
dropped
this.
O3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup. Faster, smarter, and more efficient.
So as you can feel, the neutral feeling is boring. It feels a little bit less AI in terms of the quality of the voice, but the happy voice was able, in some cases, to be so realistic, you could feel like a person really talking to you, while it felt, in some cases, too much of an AI. But I think that's fine. So let's go right now to music. Let's test out this music. So let me think what I would like to listen. Rap beat that prepares you for a fight. Yeah, I think that's great. Let's check out their music model. So let's try to see if it can actually create that. Let's see. Rap beat that prepares you for a fight. So I want something upbeat, something dark, something with loads of energy, let's say. Let's test it out. Let's see what the response will be. So this probably will take a little bit of time to generate. So I'm going to allow it some time. You can also isolate your voice inside the application or clone the application. So it's ready already.
Heartbeat dumping like a drum in the chest. Vision focus, putting steels to the test. No time for doubts, no space for fear. The moment is now, the battle is here. The bass drops heavy, the tempo it climbs. Got that fire inside me, defying all times. This is the battle rhythm that electrifies. Unleash the beast behind my eyes. Stepping in the arena with an eye well, ready to strike, ready to kill. From shadows I rise, a warrior supreme. No surrender, just victory, the dream.
Boom! That's amazing! That's amazing! Not a lot of AIs have been caring about creating music. I think this is already very nice. This is very good. This is very good. Not very dark, but I think this is exactly what we wanted. So on Voice Clone, what options do we have? We can drop an audio file of 20 megabytes, up to 20 megabytes. You can do removal of the background music or whatever, or you can record audio. So let me try this. Let's see, can it actually do that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh yes, it's 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to be the most amazing YouTuber ever seen in the world. I'm the #1, the greatest AI YouTuber this world has ever seen. So we're going to give it this. It's uploading the sample. Remove the background noise. Who cares? Let's call it Aero, and let's go with English. I confirm. Let's test it out. So what it's going to do is it's going to create a voice of our clone. Probably it's going to do some kind of embedding or some kind of small LoRa, because these models are small. They're up to
Hello,
1
I'm
billion
delighted to
parameters.
assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
Okay, so this is my voice.
Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
Do you listen to me like that? I'm really not good at understanding how my voice is. I would say happy. Add a little bit of pitch, a little bit of volume, and click generate. Let's see my voice on top of this prompt.
OpenAI just dropped O3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup. Faster, smarter, and more efficient, O3 Pro brings top.
Okay. I'm sure that I'm not like that. I'm quite sure about it. I'm not like that. Let's go with auto, okay? Let's go with auto. I'm going to put it a little softer. Let's regenerate. Come on, guys. This is not my
OpenAI
voice.
just dropped O3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup.
Let's regenerate. This is not my voice.
OpenAI just dropped O3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup. Faster, smarter, and more efficient. O3 Pro brings top-tier performance to developers and businesses at a fraction of the cost.
Okay, so I kind of am like that, just a little bit. Maybe the voice clone needs just a little bit more of my voice. Maybe it needs a little bit more of my voice. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit more of my voice. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best AI videos on the world. This is the top tutorial that you're ever going to see about MiniMax Audio. Listen to me, guys. I'm really, honestly telling you, this is the best tutorial you ever seen in your world. Like, I'm completely the best. The number one. Elon Musk is worse than me. Yes, Elon Musk is worse than me. And make sure to subscribe, like, see all of my videos, every single one of them. We're playing on Netflix right now, my friends. On fucking Netflix. Oh yes, you don't believe me? Going to the Netflix page, type Aero, and you are going to see my beautiful face. Really, you are going to see my beautiful face. You don't believe me? Check it out. I really want to see what it recorded. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best AI videos. Okay, so this is probably not my voice. This is probably from my earphones, I guess. But let's go with Aero 2. I'm just going to give them the benefit of the doubt that, this is my voice. And let's try the voice clone. Let's try the voice clone once again. So it's converting my voice. Let's see. I'm really interested to see if the result right now will be better.
Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
Oh my god. No, this is not me. Come on, man. Is this me, guys? Do you listen to me like that?
OpenAI just dropped O3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup. Faster, smarter, and more efficient, O3 Pro brings top-tier performance to developers and businesses at a fraction of the cost. Stay tuned for what's next.
Bro, it's probably my microphone, in all honesty. It's 100% my microphone. Probably it's using the wrong microphone, like in all honesty. But to be completely fair with you, this time it sounded a little bit like me. Yes, it did. But whatever. Thank you so much for watching another video. Hopefully you find this tool useful. You can use it completely for free. It's a competitor to 11 Labs and you can do loads of things. So hopefully you find this interesting and I will see you on the next video.